Hey guys, welcome back to Operation RV. Today we've got another cool video planned for the series here on Baloo. As you guys are already pretty much aware, it runs really great. But I will tell you, the vehicle is 44 years old. So the motor here is pretty much, the OE motor. However, it didn't come with this actual unit itself. The inline 6 did, but essentially it's 43 years old. So I have a brand new carb. I've already redone all the fuel lines, the brand new gas tank, all that good stuff. So what I want to do is I went ahead and picked up some of the spray SeaFoam. Is go ahead and get it to operating temperature, spray some of this down the actual throat here, and get this intake and all these valves and everything all cleaned up, because I know this motor has even more potential. There's just 43 years worth of, buildup, carbon deposits, and all this stuff that we're going to get rid of today. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and get the Baloo all warmed up and get it sprayed in. Alrighty, so that pretty much wraps up this vid here on how to SeaFoam a carbureted, truck in my series, in this case, Baloo. Just pretty much trying to get the intake cleared. I know off film I didn't get a lot of behind the smoke, but I will tell you a lot of the smoke was coming out predominantly when I was doing the bursts in the actual throat of the carb, having it at about 2,000 RPMs. It was massive, going everywhere. Like looked like a dust cloud. But guys, thanks for tuning back in. Thanks for checking out this video. And I got more surprises to come. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. Please leave me a comment and always give me that thumbs up. Until next time, God bless.